Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the best way to pay independent contractors using Gusto. When I started paying contractors, I quickly realized that doing it manually was a huge headache, especially when tax season rolled around. Gusto made this entire process straightforward and reliable, and I want to share my simple, effective method with you. Getting started. The contractor setup. The best way to ensure smooth payments is proper setup. Gusto streamlines the onboarding, so contractors can enter their own information. Invite the contractor. Once you hire a contractor, the first step in Gusto is to go to the People section and click Add Person. You select individual contractor or business contractor. I always use a personal email address for the invite. W-9 and onboarding. Gusto handles the most crucial part, the W-9 form. Your contractor receives an email, logs in, and fills out their profile, including their banking information for direct deposit and a required W-9. This ensures you have all the correct identifying and tax information up front, which is essential for year-end 1099 filing. This self-serve model is a huge time saver. My payment routine. Simplicity is key. Once they are set up, running payments is incredibly fast. I stick to a few best practices. Get the invoice. Always have your contractor send you an invoice first. This provides a clear paper trail and confirms the amount due. Run the payment. I go to the Pay tab in Gusto and choose Pay U.S. Contractor. I select the contractor, the amount they are owed from their invoice, and input the invoice number in the designated field. I strongly recommend using direct deposit as a payment method for speed and security. I always review the details one last time and hit submit. Gusto usually processes these payments within a few business days. The best part, year-end tax filing. This is why Gusto is the best way. The platform keeps track of every payment you make to the contractor throughout the year. 1099 NEC automation. Gusto automatically generates and files the necessary Form 1099 NEC for you and your contractor, provided you paid them over $600 in the calendar year. This removes the stress of tracking totals, ordering forms, and mailing them out by the January 31st deadline. Access for contractors. Your contractors can access their 1099s directly through their Gusto portal. Paying independent contractors through Gusto is truly the best way for a small business owner like myself. It manages the onboarding, ensures you have the correct tax forms, simplifies the payment process with direct deposit, and handles the complicated year-end tax reporting. It takes the guesswork out of compliance and lets me focus on running my business. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.